Welcome back guys. Today I will be showing you a glam makeup. So without wasting time, let's get started. I'm doing the brightening. Brightening makes a big difference. Now let's set it up with a powder. You can see the matte look here. Take a lighter shade and just tap it. My face is gone matte. It's contouring time. Use a darker shade to define your jawbone. You can also cream contour. I'll show you that one day. Cream contour also gives you a nice look. The main thing of cream contour is it blends well into your skin. Also use a lighter shade to contour your nose. Contouring defines your face well. So now my face is all set up. We'll move further with blush. So this is my all-time favorite blush. We'll do the highlight at the last. First I'll do with eye makeup. So this is Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser, that is multi-use concealer. Moving further with eyeshadow. Starting with the crease, take some lighter color eyeshadow and apply it on your crease. Take some dark and again apply on your crease. I'm using Huda Rose Gold Remastered palette. Huda products are so pigmented. Make sure you blend the eyeshadow here. I have got hooded eyes, so I'm lifting up my eyeshadow, not taking it down, so my eyes would look lifted. Blend it with your crease. Now I'm again applying some darker shade. Now take your shimmer and dab. And now it's time for the lashes. These are Nykaa Melodrama lashes. Here I am using PAC Lash Fixer. Apply a lip balm so that when you apply a lipstick, your lips won't feel dry. Also, we'll be applying some eyeshadow to the lower lash line. Stop till here if you have hooded eyes. And then apply a kajal. And now highlight your face. I'm using Pack Baked Highlighter. So basically this golden shade is suitable for medium skin shade. It gives you a nice glow. This is every girl's favorite step of the makeup. Now let's apply the lip liner. So here I'm using Color Bar lip liner. Make X go down and then line. Don't overline your lips. Follow the natural shape. So here I'm using Nykaa Molten Matte. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon.